Alright, I just thought I'd show you Cultic 2 rolling. This game is fucking hard, man. Yeah, these fuckers just follow you. Right, then you got these turbo bastards out here. Something like, can I make it? Can I make it? I got the last fucking thing. Bye. Yeah, there's these guys out here. I literally just don't have any ammo, and I'm fucking being swarmed by these fuckers. It's like, this ain't right, man. Just ain't enough ammo. I don't miss my shots. So we got like half a fucking army running after me. I'll just keep running over here for now. Oh, I got a hatchet. Yeah, basically you got hatchets. So got 9 of these. And as you can see, I got fucking pooned by a fucking noob. Hatchet, got a hatchet. Ooh, got 10 handgun ammo. Got weapon parts. You see those fuckers looking for me? Fuck me. Fucking crazy game, man. Then I got stuck in this fucking house like some kind of trippy fucking bullshit. There you go, you see I'm not shit at the game, so don't fucking tell me. There's no fucking ammo in the bastard. Look, fucking bell end balls are coming for me. You're gonna want at least a couple of moles for them. And I got nothing. Look, they're already throwing fucking rocks at me. Fucking bastards. I think I gotta get in here somehow. When I done that, I just come out from there. Now look, these guys here with the white helmets on, they took about fucking 10 shotgun rounds. No shit, right? No shit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You know, first time. That's the first time in the game. Fuck. Wait, I'm just gonna check out fucking map. Look at all this fucking bullshit. Yeah, alright. Yeah. Oh, well done, you shot your own dudes. Look, this psycho's fucking tracking. Close the fucking gate. Right. Okay, you just seen all that shit, right? Right. Let's see if I've just got enough ammo on me to get through this fucking area and the bit it gives you. Right, that's 8 people I can kill. Oh, they can fucking see through the door. I'm fucked. So they're gonna spawn something in here. This door is locked. Yeah, this is where I come up before. I've come up from down here. Right, so... So there's a fucking army out there trying to fucking exterminate me. Do you know what these did? They went underground. I could take a few of them down with this barrel. If I could just get up there, but then I'll kill myself with the barrel, right? But they seem happy enough. Start thinning the herd out, I guess. My fucking hatchet works. Anybody consider dropping me anything useful there? This fucking barrel over here for these cunts. You're so fucking bad. Yeah, what did I do? He ain't getting down there. Not bad. Well, fuck. Look, Chainsaw Man's still fucking there. He's gonna kill me now. I fucking got past you as well, dickhead. I'm a survivor. And I ain't got no ammo. It's like, game? Seriously. Give me some fucking ammunition that doesn't suck. Yeah, there's a strip chainsaw guy too, so he's a fucking pain in the fucking... Like that went through your head, bro. That one didn't. That's fun. Fucking hell. Kinda got him down a bit. Fucking bear traps and shit. He literally throws fucking bear traps at you. You're like, fuck me. I don't think you like me, man. Dude, I fucking pooned you, you fucking cunt. Thanks for that fucking pathetic bit of health. So if you look here, the damn shit log, man. Oh look, dude, it's like even if you get something good like that. Do you know what I mean? Like I picked some up and my hopes went up and then some guy ganking my back on 25 health. This was the fucking bullshit I was looking for. Not much use though, is it? Call it Cultic 2, fucking hatchet simulator. Now look, I don't know where they are, but there's two. You can get in and out both ways here. I'm doing this completely wrong, by the way. It's like I'm not doing the actual floor or what's expected from you. But I guess if you don't give us enough fucking ammo, what are we gonna do? Huh? Like that? I know I don't play games that look like creepy shit. I don't. But Cultic's a pretty special game. Yeah. Fucking get this. Might be able to burn one. You got fire? I hope so. This game, man. Oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit. Holy shit. Come on, health, go back up, man. Down. What a wanker. Now, oh, there we go. Still got sweaty balls. Blew myself up. Fuck that. You know what I mean? Well, what happened there? I couldn't see him, so I dropped it. And then he just appeared and fucking nutted the fucking stuff or whatever. This door is locked. It's got the MG32. It's got weapon parts. There's no way in. Oh, that barrel never pulling up, didn't it? Fuck's sake, man. Right, the last area I gotta go to is open, so these are gonna follow me round. Ah. Yes. Oh no, I'm really scared. Please don't. Hey Buzz, I'm going through all your stuff. You better come out and pound me. Right, we want the guys with white helmets. They'll come up, they'll be here soon. Absolute fuckers. Fuck me. Why are we down there? God. Right. I've wasted my fucking Molotov. So I can't kill those fucking white helmet bastards. And here they come. Dude, I didn't fucking jump down there. What is this fucking problem? I didn't jump down there, man. Haven't got the hang of grabbing grenades and throwing them back yet. You'll have to forgive me. You guys fucking down or what? Oh, you fucking donut. Dude, this game's fucking brutal for me, man. Can I pick that up? There's still a white helmet down there. Fuck off. Anything with ammo? Right, that's fucking too fuck. Make this game. It's not the principle of the matter to exterminate these bastards. Looks like you can point blank them with this, but I've got an upgrade on this. Right, so you see all these guys I kill, right? Did it drop me any ammo? No, it did not. Fucking marvelous. No, there's no secrets in there. I've got one fucking weapon part. Right. I got 4 of these, so I'll start on the base and just fire fucking bullets, because I'm just that good at it. Ain't got nothing to lose, ain't got nothing but to do my time blues. Yeah, it lasted the whole of like 2 seconds there, crouched behind cover. You know, I've got a sniper rifle. But guess what? Yeah. Fuck. No chance. You fucking bastard. You as well. Yep, that's it. We're back on that. Unless I got... Nope. Double barrel. Okay. They're gonna turn around and fucking flap. I'll go this way. Oh, obviously I can't jump in the red water of death. Oh, there's one of those wank shafts there, man. I didn't fucking get wank shafts. I'm screaming out for ammo. Let's go back down here. No gaze. See? I'm pretty good. Fucking... I got 10. Fucking hell. Oh, scrounging ammo. No. Oh, 2 shotgun shells. Oh, great. Fucking hell. What else fucking him? And a fucking hatchet. Hey, skibba-da-ba-ba-da-boop. Zip-dibba-dibba-boop-boop. Fucking hell, jeez. I've got 8 of those, you can only have 10 of those. Plenty of rocks lying around though. Well, fucking hell. By the way, this game does put most modern games to a slight shame, you know. Think it's easy killing all these people with limited ammo? Huh? Huh? You think it's easy? Got another hatchet. Right, shield bastard straight away. Right, tally up. Can't even get up the fucking stack. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, you don't get very long. So it's probably a better idea to do that. We'll lure this fucking knobhead out. Take his shield. Hey, you look like a stupid idiot, and I think you're a jerk. Don't come near me, because I'm really scared of you. You fucker. Fuck me, why do I get the one shield guy? That's just hard as fuck. Now I don't get no fucking shield. Fucking one sniper guy there, 2 there. Shotgun's all well and good, but I'm not close, am I? Yeah. Ducking down. Oh, we got another one. Come down, Bruce. The price is fucking right. I'm in no rush, man. I got fucking 19 now. Any ammo? Didn't think so. Got a fucking shield though. Do you know what that means? I can't throw the fucking machete. I can only hold that up. Fuck off, game. Fuck off. Yeah, wow, they like changed its fucking mind and didn't just fucking come up on me. I kick fucking shit out. Right, if I know you're fucking coming then, dickheads. hatchet, small first aid kit. I mean, we're doing so well for ammo. So fucking well. Doopy-doo. Try and hit me. Go to jail for doing this to me. Now, if we can just trigger them up a bit, they might come down to the bit. Nope. You don't know how it's getting me every time I get to that fucking door. Fucking do not know. Just fuck you. Yeah, they don't know. Oh, where did he come from? Is he moving up in my position? Eh? I pierced his fucking ear for him. Oh, that's what happened there then. Just fucking went in water. No, you're just not gonna do him without fire, are you? gotta try and get there for ammo. Yeah, you see, I want to get nice and close and just point blank him, because I think it works if you just point blank him with a double barrel. Obviously, you know, I gotta keep fighting on the knife's edge there. Hey, just shot through the scenery there. Doing me, I didn't. Well, it ain't actually. I'm just like, it's just fucking so stupid that I ain't got anything. Can't get close. Fucking. Even the sniper dropped fucking handgun ammo. I'm like, fuck you. I know you're in there. Wow, man. Fucking wow. Sniper rounds free. Yeah, I can loot bitches. Okay, just. Oh, Me boss, you not. sucks, but you gotta get super close. Oh, I got fire! You fucking hacking cunts. I got the last of the boom boom. Well, that's a little bit of ammo. Yeah. Oh, zero secrets, come on, man.